Let me also express my tremendous appreciation for Susie and Chris, the job you did. Susie, come here. Come here, Susie. Chris, come here, Chris. Susie likes to stay sort of in the back, let me tell you. The Ice Maiden, we call her the Ice Maiden. Come here, Chris. Come here, Chris. Susie likes to stay in the background. She's not in the background.
Susie Wiles, a seasoned Republican strategist, was announced as President-elect Donald Trump's incoming White House Chief of Staff, marking her as the first woman to hold this position. Known for her role in securing key political wins, including transforming Rick Scott into Florida's governor in 2010 and helping Trump win Florida in 2016, Wiles has a reputation as a formidable, yet understated figure in U.S. politics. Wiles, the daughter of NFL legend Pat Summerall, began her career in politics working on Ronald Reagan's 1980 campaign. She later managed high-profile campaigns, including that of Florida Governor Ron DeSantis. Trump praised Wiles as tough, smart, and innovative, emphasizing her role in his recent electoral success. Known as the Ice Maiden by Trump, she brings a traditional yet pragmatic approach to the role. As Chief of Staff, she will manage the White House staff, advise on policy, and oversee executive operations, shaping the direction of the new administration.
This wasn't expected, but I just want to thank, obviously, President Trump for this journey. It was a great one, and he's a hell of a candidate, and he's going to be a hell of a great 47th president. And this team that we had, the best team, and, of course, even my boss, Susie Wiles, the best. Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you, Susie. Look at this. She's shot. I've never seen her be shot before. Susie. They're great. Everybody up here is great.